Honey, you are in a third party situation. Your person is currently with someone else, but they've chosen you. They literally made the decision last night to end it with a third party because they want to be with you. Let's look at some cards. You're constantly thinking about this person, and you're doing that because you have a soulmate connection. You've been through hell and high water with this person, but this is what they're going through now. They're not happy in the situation that there is. They want to leave. They want to come back to you. This person cannot stop thinking about you. This person is scared to come forward to you, though. They're scared because of what they did and how they left the situation. They finally want to be open about how they truly feel about you. This is somebody who may have been playing games, emotional games, mental games as well that I'm coming through. It's really not good energy. But it was all because they just didn't want to let this third party go. But this third party is actually their karmic relationship, and that's what they're realizing now. This person wants to marry you. I can see them wanting to tie the knot with you. They feel awkward about stepping forward to you. They're kind of like building up the courage, and I think that's because you come through as really a little bit intimidating. I'm seeing dark hair and I'm seeing fire energy as well. So you're going to go from a very slow moving energy with this person to all of a sudden they're moving in very, very quickly here. When they finally get the nerve to ask you out and to step forward to you, this person sees you as very, very independent and very strong-willed, and they're a little bit intimidated by you. I feel like the third party brings out the worst in them, and I'm not excusing their behavior for being in a third-party relationship, but everybody makes mistakes, and that's what they've done. They feel that they've met their match in you because you don't take their crap. You lead the way. You are a leader, so you don't allow them to kind of go back and forth and allow them to lead the way. You do, and you don't take none of that, and that is like, it's a match to them. They're intimidated by it, but they also like it. You're not letting them take charge. You're the one in charge, and you lead the way. This person also has a very strong attraction towards you. One of you is very, very career focused, so I don't know if recently you're starting your own business, but one of you is almost career obsessed. I'm not sure which one, or it could be both of you, but I feel like one of you is definitely more than the other. I feel like both of you are both career orientated though. One of you is very confused about what's going on in this connection, and that could be you, because you don't quite know how this person feels. They're not being honest with you. They're not telling you how they feel. They're not stepping towards you right now in this moment. I mean, they literally feel like they don't know what's going on because the other person here is so secretive, and I feel like they will blow hot and then blow cold, and they'll come forward and then they'll like shut down. Even though this person is intimidated by you, they feel like they're not going to know how to handle you. They definitely will not be able to contain their emotions and their feelings for you much longer. So you're going to get a very impulsive message. Impulsively, they're going to come up to you. It will be out of the blue, and they're going to spark a conversation. They're not going to look how they usually look. This isn't usually how they behave. It will be something very impulsive, very different. So be on the way for it.